Dropshipping is a popular business model where the seller does not keep any inventory, instead ordering directly from the supplier when an order is placed. This means that the seller often assumes much less risk, since they don't have to worry about keeping any stock and only order when they have a commitment from a buyer. The dropshipping model has evolved over time. In the 90s, with the advent of the internet and the introduction of online shopping, mail order companies transitioned from catalog sales to e-commerce stores. This period marked the gradual acceptance of online shopping by consumers, leading to the expansion of dropshipping as a major-scale business model. Most dropshipping stores use product images provided by their suppliers, which can be the same as those used by their competitors. Unique product images can be obtained by editing the background of supplier images or by asking influencers or customers to create unique product images. Dropshipping has become a highly profitable e-commerce business model that can be started with very little investment. E-commerce giants such as Zappos, Wayfair, Fab, and Gilt have built their business models around dropshipping. The dropshipping model allows sellers to assume less risk, as they don't have to maintain inventory. It also offers the potential for high profitability with minimal initial investment. However, there are drawbacks to consider, such as potential issues with product quality control and shipping times, as the seller relies on the supplier to fulfill orders. Dropshipping is suitable for individuals or businesses looking to start an e-commerce venture with minimal upfront investment. Selecting the right dropshipping supplier is crucial for ensuring the quality and timely delivery of products to customers. Dropshipping has become a highly profitable and accessible e-commerce business model, offering opportunities for entrepreneurs to start their own online stores with minimal investment and risk. However, it's important to carefully consider the potential drawbacks and select reliable suppliers to ensure the success of a dropshipping venture. To get how to master dropshipping business, click on the link in the description. Enjoying the content? Consider subscribing to join our community and stay updated with our latest videos. Your support helps us continue creating great content for you.